Sensor stops because
Okay.
it's already cold.
natin guys.
Where do I put the automatic? Where?
Or
Should I buy the
just on when you open.
Should I buy another remote?
No.
Ano
Just put here in echo.
Okay.
Echo. Will
Sabi na yung video ko.
Did you remove?
Wow, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold now. Did you remove
Yun.
turbo?
Hmm?
Did you remove the turbo?
Turbo? No.
Still there?
Yeah. We will just test the drain hose if it is okay.
Ah, yeah. You want to see if the water.
Mm.